Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture of this crash course for your PMP certification exam. So if you are into project management and you are planning to write the PMP certification exam over the next few months, this free course on YouTube will equip you with all the basic details that you need to know about the PMP certification exam. So this is a series of 14 lectures and you can view all the 14 lectures of this crash course through the link here or through the link in the description section of this video. So make sure you do not miss any of these lectures of this free course on YouTube. I am Ray, a PMP certified project manager, and I have helped thousands of PMP aspirants like you to prepare for the PMP exam efficiently and pass it on their very first attempt. You can refer to my reviews on Udemy or the mentions on my LinkedIn profile. Now please note that this course is an abridged version of my full 35-hour training course on PMP exam that is available on Udemy. So if you like this mini version, please make sure you check out the entire course that is available on Udemy. The link will be in the description section of this video as well. So this video is the first out of the 14 lessons in this course, and in this video we'll be talking about the entire curriculum and structure of this free course so that you know that how this course will help you to set the basics for your PMP exam preparation. So without further ado, let's get started. Right, so we'll start the course with a basic introduction to the PMP exam. Now this is considering that you are a complete beginner in this domain and you are learning about the PMP exam first time, okay? So this lecture will cover what is the PMP certification, why should you do it, what are the benefits, etc. etc. Next, we'll discuss about a very important word of caution when it comes to the PMP certification. If you are a PMP aspirant, it's of utmost importance that you listen to this lecture carefully and avoid the most common pitfall when it comes to starting off the PMP exam preparation journey. Moving on, we'll discuss about the PMP exam structure, okay? So if you're writing the PMP exam this year, this lesson will give you a detailed understanding of the entire examination structure. In lecture number 5, we'll discuss about the type of questions which you will get in your PMP exam. Typically, there are 6 types of questions which you can expect in your PMP exam, okay? And in this lesson, we'll discuss the detail of each one of them. And even better, we'll be solving a sample question for each type as well. Next, we'll get a bird's eye view on the PMP exam cost, right? So, how much should you expect to pay? Should you be taking up the PMI membership or not before you book your examination slot, etc. etc. Moving on, in lesson number 7, we'll try to seek answer to one of the most commonly asked questions by the PMP aspirants, and that is, what is the passing score of the PMP exam? 50%, 80%, 90%, what is it? Okay, so we'll do a good discussion on that topic in this lecture. Next, we'll touch briefly upon the home-based or the remote version of the PMP exam versus the center-based version of the PMP exam. So which one should you choose? What are the pros and cons for each one? Everything will be covered in this lecture so you can make an informed choice. In lecture number 9, we'll understand the official syllabus of the PMP exam, which is the PMP ECO or the Examination Content Outline, okay? So what is the ECO? How should you access it? How should you use the ECO to prepare for the PMP exam? So we'll touch upon every detail when it comes to understanding the official syllabus of the PMP exam. Moving on, in lecture number 10, we'll talk about the 4 key steps of your PMP exam study plan, okay? What are the key building blocks? How should you go about creating a study plan when you are starting off your PMP exam preparation, etc. etc. Next, over lectures 11, 12 and 13, we'll be discussing about 3 most common myths about the PMP exam. It is extremely crucial that you as an exam aspirant know what they are so that you can consciously avoid falling into believing those myths when you are preparing for the PMP exam. And finally, we'll complete this course by understanding the career of a project manager and how rewarding this career track could be for you if you have the right skills. Okay, so this lecture should be a big motivator for you to pass the PMP exam and develop your professional career overall as a project manager. I wish you all the best for your PMP exam preparation. Let me know in the comment section below if you are finding this course helpful for your PMP exam preparation. Okay, and now with that, let's move on to the next lecture.